Did they discontinue Similac Sensitive? Sierra Nichole Archer Similac Pro-Sensitive Ready to Feed has been replaced with Similac 360 Total Care Sensitive. However, Similac Pro-Sensitive Powder is still available. Similac Sensitive Powder Baby Formula, 12.5-ounce can. Product details. Similac Sensitive * is an easy-to-digest, milk-based infant formula designed for sensitive tummies. It's complete nutrition for fussiness, gas, or mild spit-up. Our formula has our exclusive blend of nutrients to help support baby's brain and eye development. Similac was the first leading infant formula brand with no artificial growth hormones, and is the #1 infant formula brand fed in hospitals. Not for infants or children with galactosemia. Due to lactose sensitivity. No significant difference has been shown between milk derived from rbST-treated and non-rbST-treated cows. Designed for babies' fussiness and gas. Our sensitive formula for babies is specially designed for fussiness and gas due to lactose sensitivity. Its baby's brain and eye development features our exclusive blend of DHA, lutein, and vitamin E. Special ingredients found in breast milk that are important for helping to support baby's brain and eye development. No palm olein oil, designed to support excellent calcium absorption. Third brand, Similac registered is the #1 infant formula brand fed in hospitals. No artificial growth hormones. Similac was the first leading infant formula brand with no artificial growth hormones.